Good morning, class. Welcome back to our maths class. In this class, we are going to do exercise 8C. Here we have to divide the sums. In the previous class, we did exercise 8B. In that exercise, we divided and checked the sums. But in this exercise, we will divide the numbers only. Let's start. Children, you can see this is exercise 8C. The question is divide. So we will start division. We will take first sum first of all, A part. The number which is written inside is called dividend. The dividend is 484. Children, you can see this is 3-digit number 484. We have to divide it by 2. 2 is called divisor. The number by which we have to divide the dividend is called divisor. We will read the number of divisor, that is 2. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next digit we have, that is 8. 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then we will take next number, that is 4. We will divide this 4 by 2. 2 to the 4. Here on the top, the answer we get is called quotient. So we can write quotient is equal to 242. When we divide 484 by 2, the answer which we have got is 242, and this is called quotient also. Now B question. Here the dividend is 693. We have to divide it by 3. Let's start. 3 2s are 6. Subtract 6 from 6 is 0. Then we will take next digit down, that is 9. 3 3s are 9. Next digit 3, we will take it down now. 3 3 1s are 3. Here the answer is 231. C question. The dividend is 448. We will divide it by 4. 4 1s are 4. We will take next number to down place. This is 4. Again 4 1s are 4. Now we will copy it down. Next last digit, that is 8. 4 2s are 8. The quotient is 112. D part 804. The dividend is 804 and we have to divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8. Next digit is 0. When there is 0, so the answer is 0. We will write 0 on the quotient place. And now we will take next digit, that is 4. 2 2s are 4. The answer is 402. This is called quotient. And the number which is written inside is dividend, and the number by which we are dividing the number is divisor. Now we will do E part. Here the dividend is 306 and divisor is 3. Let's start. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next digit is also 0. So we will keep it on the quotient place like this, because 3 0 is 0. And the last digit is 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Or we can put cross sign. The answer is 102. Next question is 690 divided by 3. 3 twos are 6 cross, or we can write 0. We will take next digit down, that is 9. 3 threes are 9. Last number, that is 0. 3, when we divide 0 by 3, the answer is 0. We will write 0 here like this. The answer is 230. Next question, 440 divide it by 4. 4 1 ja 4. This is 0. Next, again there is 4. 4 1 ja 4. This is 0. The last digit is also 0, and we will keep this 0 on the quotient place. The answer is 110. Now the dividend is 800 and we have to divide it by 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next digit 0, we will put it on the quotient place. Next digit is also 0, we will put it on the quotient place. The answer is 200. When we divide 800 by 4, the answer is 200. Now we will move to next question, question number 2. Here the questions are given in the line. So first we will make them in the sum form. As you can see, 555 divide it by 5. So we will change it into sum form like this, as we are doing. 555 is dividend. We will write it inside and divide it by 5. 5 1 ja 5. This is 0. Again next number is 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Last digit is also 5. Again divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. This is 0. This is A part of question number 2. Now we will do B part of question number 2. This is 246. We have to divide it by 2. 2 1 ja 2. This is 0. Next digit is 4. 2 2s are 4. Children, you have to learn all the tables. For doing division and multiplication, you should learn all the tables. 2 3s are 6. The quotient is 123. Now we will do C part. 848. We will divide it by 4. 4 2s are 8. This is 0. Next is it is 4. 4 1s are 4. This is 0. Next digit is 8. 4 2s are 8. The quotient is 212. D part of this line is 399 divided by 3. 399 divided by 3. Yes. 3 1 ja 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then we will take next digit, that is 9 to the down. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last digit is 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. The quotient is 133. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. A part of question number 3 is 408 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The next digit is also 0. We will take it on the quotient place. Last digit is 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. The quotient is 102. Now B part, 208 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then we will take 0 on the quotient place. Last number is 8. 2 4 are 8. C part, 604 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. We will take 0 on the quotient place. Write 4 here. 2 2s are 4. The answer is 302. Now D part of question number 3 is 505 divided by 5. 5 1 are 5. This is 0. Next digit is 0. We will take it on the quotient place. 5 1 are 5. Now we will do question number 4. A part. 240 divide it by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Next number is 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Last digit is 0. Children, in your book it has been shown like this, that if there is 0 also they have shown division 2 0 0 and then they subtract 0 minus 0, or you can leave it like this also as I am leaving. When there is a 0 then no need to show division. You can write like this, but in the book it has been shown like this. It's your choice. They have shown the division of 0 also like this, but it is meaningless now, so you can leave this part like simply as I am doing. Now B part of question number 4 is 480 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. This is 0. Next number is 8. 2 4s are 8. This is 0. Then last digit is 0, so we can take 0 on the quotient place directly without showing subtraction there. Now C part, 690 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. This is 0. We will take down the next number, that is 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last digit is 0. We will take 0 directly to the quotient place. The answer is 230. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 5. A part. This is 400 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. Next digit is 0. We will take directly to the quotient place. Next last digit is also 0. Take directly to the quotient place. The answer is 200. Now B part of question number 5 is 600 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next digit 0. So when we will divide 0 by 2, the answer will be 0. Again there is a 0. When we will divide 2 by 0 by 2, the answer will be 0. So here the quotient is 300. Now we will move to the next part, that is C part of question number 5 is 800 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. When we will divide 0 by 2, it will be 0. Again it will be 0. The answer is 400. Now D part of question number 5 is 600 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then we will take 0. Here it will be 0 and 0 means 0. The answer is 200. Now children, we will move to the next question, number 6. A part. The dividend is 242. We have to divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. This is 0. Next digit is 4. 2 twos are 4. This is 0. Next last digit is 2. 2 ones are 2. The answer is 121. B part. 888. 888 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. This is 0. Again 8. 8 ones are 8. This is 0. Then last it is also 8. 8 ones are 8. The answer is 111. Now we will do C part of question number 6. This is 936 divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next number is 3. 3 ones are 3. Children, you will write all the numbers in alignment. 6. 3 twos are 6. The answer is 312. Now D part of it is 648. 648 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. Minus 6 is 0. Next digit is 4. 2 twos are 4. Last digit is 8. 2 fours are 8. Now we will move to the next question, number 7. A part. The question is, dividend is 609. We have to divide it by 3. 3 twos are 6. This is 0. Children, next digit is 0. So we will divide. If we will divide 0 by 3, the answer will be 0. Next digit is 9. 3 threes are 9. Now B part. 903 divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. This is 0. Next digit is 0. We will keep it on the quotient place. 3 ones are 3. The answer is 301. Now we will do C part of it. C part is 909 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. This is 0. Move 0 to the quotient place. 9 ones are 9. The answer is 109. D part. D part is 404 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. This is 0. This is 0. 2 twos are 4. The answer is 202. Now we will move to the question number 8. A part. 840 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. This is 0. 4 ones are 4. This is 0. Last digit is 0. We will keep it here like answer. B part. 660 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. This is 0. 6 ones are 6. Again this is 0. Last digit is 0. Write it on the quotient place. Now C part. C part is 420 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. This is 0. 2 ones are 2. This is 0. Last digit is 0. Keep it on the quotient place. Now last sum of this line is 960 divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. This is 0. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Last digit is 0. When we will divide 0 by 3, the answer will be 0. So answer is 320. Now we have last sum of this page of this exercise. We will do this also on the screen. 300 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3. This is 0. Next numbers are 0. So we will keep zeros on the quotient place like this. 500 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. This is 0. Next digit 0. So put 0 on the quotient place. Again put 0 on the quotient place, because when we divide 0 by any number, the answer will be 0. Now C part. The question is 700 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 0. Next digits are 0. So we will put zeros on the quotient place. The answer is 100. Now we will do D part. D part is 900 by 9. Answer is 100. 9 1 ja 9 is 0. 0. Again there is 0. Children, with this we have completed this exercise. You do all the sums in your notebook, as you can see on the screen, all the sums. You do all the sums in your notebook. And next exercise, exercise 8th D, we will do in the next class. Till then, bye everybody.